Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an away message to Facebook Messenger on your Facebook business page. This is incredibly useful for letting your customers know when you're unavailable while still maintaining that professional touch and managing their expectations. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page listed there. This will take you directly to your business page where you can manage all your content and settings. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, you'll need to locate the Meta Business Suite option in the left navigation menu. Click on it to proceed. The Meta Business Suite is your central hub for managing all aspects of your business presence across Facebook and Instagram, so getting familiar with this area is essential for efficient page management. After clicking, you'll be directed to your Meta Business Suite dashboard. This is where all the magic happens for managing your business communications and content. From here, locate the Inbox option and click on it. This will take you to the Inbox and Messaging section of your Meta Business Suite, where you can view and manage all your customer conversations across different platforms. Now comes the important part for setting up your away message. Look towards the top part of your screen, and you'll see an automation button. Click on it to access the automation features. Meta Business Suite makes this process straightforward by including built-in automation options for common scenarios like away messages. This means you won't have to build everything from scratch. Look through the available automation options until you find a away message, then click on Try It. This pre-built automation is designed specifically for situations when you can't respond immediately to customer inquiries. You'll now be directed to the Edit Automation page where you can customize your away message settings. This is where you have full control over how and when your away message functions. First, select the messaging platform where you want this automation to work. Then configure the specific days and times you'd like this away message to run. Maybe you want it active only on weekends, or perhaps during specific hours when your team isn't available. Scroll down through the page if you wish to edit the actual text of your away message to make it more personalized and aligned with your brand voice. Take your time here to ensure everything reflects how you want to communicate with your customers during your absence. Once you've configured all the settings to your satisfaction, click on Save Changes to activate your away message automation, and there you have it. You've successfully set up an automated away message for your Facebook business page, ensuring your customers always receive a response even when you're not available. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.